New evidence in the Michael Jackson wrongful death trial shows an incredibly expensive budget, millions upon millions of dollars. Eyewitness News reporter Miriam Hernandez has some of those numbers.
To stage Michael Jackson's This Is It tour, promoter AEG was spending millions in 2009. In testimony today, some expenses were itemized. Jackson's Holmby Hills rental, $100,000 a month. $3 million to pay off someone who had sued Jackson. But one budget item not paid, according to AEG controller Julie Hollander, a fee for Dr. Conrad Murray, $300,000 for 2 months' work. The budget is evidence, according to attorneys for Catherine Jackson, that AEG hired Murray, the doctor whose treatments of Jackson for insomnia led to the star's death. Who hired Murray is the heart of this case. Lawyers for AEG assert that even though there are multiple documents that indicate a line item for payment to Murray, that Murray was independently contracted by Jackson himself.
They did not hire Dr. Conrad Murray. What we've said, which is the fact, is Michael Jackson had a longtime doctor who he decided to take on tour with him.
But attorneys for Catherine Jackson suggest AEG rubber-stamped Jackson's choice and employed the doctor.
And AEG specifically wanted to have Dr. Murray to treat Michael Jackson on this tour. That's why he was included in all of the budgets that were sent to Mr. Anschutz, the head of the company.
Jurors were shown an independent contract agreement filled out and signed by Murray, but not AEG or Jackson.
This contract was very different from any other, and if it had been finalized and if it had been signed, it was really the only one that had Mr. Jackson's signature required.
For the first time, an AEG exec took the stand. General Counsel Sean Trell was questioned about a letter he drafted in late June 2009, a request to Jackson's estate for $30 million to recover money the company paid out. The Jackson's attorney pointed out Trell drafted the letter 2 days after Jackson's death. Miriam Hernandez, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.